Hi, I'm Brett from Genesis Acoustics. Today we're going to do a demo on a great product we have in our range called Clear Noise Barrier. We just call it CNB for short. Have you had a problem with noise or sound coming through glass, doors or windows? Well, this product could really help you. So, glass is always framed normally in an aluminium or timber framing, and the framing itself is normally positioned in the center of a wall. We have two ways we can then install the CNB. The CNB can be installed onto the aluminium or timber frame, which would provide a small airspace, or we can install the CNB over the wall itself, which would provide a bigger airspace between the CNB and the glass. This is desirable as the bigger the airspace, the better the sound attenuation. For the purposes of our demonstration, we've constructed a little booth that's got a 50mm airspace in between two layers of CNB. Let's get to it.
Don't leave